What's going on? Battery box part 2. Moved a few things around. I'm ready to do some powder coating over here once I finish up. Had to make some room. Got tired of tripping over things. Hopefully that'll work out. But cheap and efficient. Oop. Come on, fingers, work. First thing in the morning. Nope. Okay. Just a washer. So I'm going to weld that there. But it's a decently thick one, so it should be fine. Weld that on the front and the back side back there. Cheap, effective. Get that welded on. Got my metal from the store, my 1/8 inch. This will be for the intercooler piping. Some brackets, but there's my 1/8 inch that I'm gonna do the bracing on with, and we're gonna sandblast it, get it powder coated. Let's get to it. While that piece is cutting, come over here. So this is how it's gonna be. Got the back brace already in there. I mean, it's just laying in there with pressure. That's it with the washers. Put that side once it's cut off over here. Tack everything together. Sandblast it. Get the powder. No, I'm not finished. I have to drill my holes still. Alright, better go do that next. There we go. Lines are right up at the hole down in there. That's where it's going to sit. So, factory style location and giving me plenty of room for the 2 intercooler pipes to go through. That's what I was looking for. Time to finish this bad boy up. We got all the pieces cleaned. Welder fired up. Let's weld her up. There we go. Back piece is on. Side piece is on. So now I just gotta do this side and then put the washers on. She's ready for sandblasting. There she is. Those washers came out pretty nice. Should hold just fine. Oop, if I can get it back in there. Yep. So, battery box is ready for blasting. Ready for some powder coating. All sandblasted. So I'm stuck between super chrome and gloss black, which I couldn't remember what was in the bottle, so I poured out some chrome there and hit it with a torch. Yep, don't advise doing this. It smells bad. But yeah, I'm gonna put out a poll on some of my Facebook friends and see what they say. Oven is preheating to 450, which I need to have it at 450, 12 minutes, and that's substrate temperature. That's not the oven. So when the part reaches 450 according to this, then I start the timer. I'm going with chrome, super chrome. Got that right there. Got the machine ready to go. Part is hanging. Next part. So we'll do a little time lapse spraying these, put them in the oven. So we got everything coated. They're in there right now, starting to warm up. As soon as I guess I give you an example right here. So we're gonna have to open it, check the tap. Well, as soon as the part is actually 450 and up temperature, we start the timer of 12 minutes. Now we just wait. She's on cooldown now. A little bit of trash in there. Probably should have blew out the oven first. Really wasn't thinking. That looks like it came out nice. That was a little bit of rust right there. A little bit of dry spray on the side of that, but should be fine. I'm pretty happy. It's gonna get better the more I do things. Oh well, powder coat more stuff. Here she is. That rust kind of bothers me, but the rest of it came out really smooth. A little bit of dry spray in the middle of that. This came out really nice. A little dry on this side, but the rest of it looks pretty nice. A little bit of trash. Could have been a little bit heavier back in here, but oh well. It is super reflective. There she is. Battery box. Boom. And I think my intercooler pipe connector is out for delivery. Then we can start fabbing. Intercooler time next. Here she is. Kind of don't want to put it in the car now. This is going to get scratched up. So, ending this video. Gonna definitely write down all the measurements on this one so I can make them as a kit. Moves it over just enough for the intercooler piping. And if I do sell them, pick a color out and I'll powder coat them per your color of your car if you want. Let me know. Later.